In this video, I will show you step by step how we made $15,525 in commission just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest in 26 days. Okay, I made this commission in the month of May, this month, from the first day of May until the day 26th of May. I made $15,525 just by promoting affiliate links using free traffic. In this video, guys, I will share with you which affiliate links I'm promoting on Pinterest. For beginners, I will share with you guys step by step how we can join affiliate marketing business, how we can create an affiliate account like this one, how we can start with $0, and so much more. So make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss this information that I will share with you for free. Anyway, let's get started. So for people who are new to my YouTube channel and you want to start making money with affiliate marketing, step number one, go to Google, search for Fiverr, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. After you finish your sign up process, this will be your homepage and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr. Okay, it's super easy. So just come to this page and scroll down, go to community and click over here on affiliates. It's gonna take you to this Fiverr affiliate website. As you can see, you can check this website, you can get idea about how much you will earn for each service you will promote with Fiverr affiliates. They are really paying a good commission, and this is the best and profitable affiliate marketing business that you can start ever. From my experience, this is the best affiliate marketing business. It's profitable, and because they are paying a good commission. If you just got just one person, two person to buy service from your affiliate link, you can make a lot of money. You can make up to $100, okay, just from two person or one person. They are really profitable. Anyway, so just click over here on join now. You will be directly in this sign up process page to Fiverr affiliate program. So just put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, your password, and account type. Make it private. Scroll down. Do you have main source of traffic? You can say yes or no, and choose your country over here and choose your language over here. If you have Skype account, you can put your Skype account here. If you don't have, that's fine. Just click on next and that's it. Sign up process is gonna take just few minutes from your time. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one with Fiverr affiliates. So this will be your Fiverr affiliate account dashboard. Okay, it's really super easy, guys. So what you need to do next is you need to choose a good and profitable services that you will promote on Pinterest to earn commission. And I will share with you guys one of my profitable services that I'm promoting on Pinterest. Let's go to Fiverr, go to back. So what you will do next, you need to go back to your home page on Fiverr like this. Okay, click on the search for Pinterest design. Okay, search for this service, Pinterest design. Scroll down. I want you to pay attention in this step. Why we choose this service, why I choose Pinterest design. So since I'm promoting this service on Pinterest, I will choose services related to Pinterest, services that will help people who are using Pinterest to grow their Pinterest account, to make their Pinterest account branding, and to design their Pinterest pins, and to grow their Pinterest account. So that's why I choose this service. Okay, so anyway, so what you will do next, you need to choose good seller who has a lot of reviews, seller who has a good price, and seller who like level 1 seller, level 2 sellers, level top rated sellers. Those sellers will be good sellers. Okay, so let's choose one of those sellers. So for example, I think this one is really looking good. This service is just for $10. A lot of people can buy this service. This seller, he is level 2 seller. He has a lot of reviews. I will click on his service. Okay, you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page. This seller has 4 orders in queue, and you can see how many services about Pinterest design this seller has sold. You can see how many orders. So which people will buy this service? Of course, only people who has Pinterest account, people who want to grow their Pinterest account. Those people will buy this service from your affiliate link if you know how to promote it and if you do it correctly. Okay, anyway, so what you will do next, you will copy this seller profile link, go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click over here, and you have here your dashboard. You have marketing tools, reports, payments, postback. Click on marketing tools, click on default and deep links. You will be directly in this page. Click on deep link and put this seller profile link here. Click on save. Here you go. You just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. What you will do next, you need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. It's super easy. So let's go to Pinterest. So first, for people who don't have Pinterest account, guys, go to Google. It's easy. Go to Google, search for Pinterest, click on the first link, sign up by using your email address. Make sure to open Pinterest business account, not personal account. You will be directly in this page after you finish. This will be your home page on Pinterest. What you will do next, you will click over here on home feed. Let me show you first. So did you know, guys, that Pinterest has 1 billion monthly visitors? You can get so much traffic from Pinterest if you do it correctly. Millions of people every single day are using Pinterest to search for services, to search for products, and those people, and a lot of people will be interested to grow their Pinterest account. Okay, anyway, click on home feed, click on create pin. You will be directly in this page. Go back to this seller profile page, click on his picture, and here you go. Double click on his picture, click on save image. Okay, and you need to save this picture to your laptop. I will click on save, go to Pinterest and click over here and upload this picture to your Pinterest account. Open, and here you go. You need to put title, description, and your affiliate link. So let's start with the title. Go back to this seller profile page and copy his title like this. Go to Pinterest, put this title here. Description, go back to this seller profile page, scroll down. You should see this one about this gig. This is his description. Okay, so you just need to copy this part like this. Just copy this description and go back to your Pinterest account and put this description here. Scroll down, you need to put your affiliate link. Go back to your Fiverr affiliate account. So let me explain something, guys. I want you to pay attention. Okay, so for you guys, if you just created your Fiverr affiliate account, you can't see this option, Fiverr CPA old plan, because for me, I have old Fiverr affiliate account. This Fiverr affiliate account, it's almost like 5 years. I have been doing this business for almost like 5 years now. Okay, anyway, so you will see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. That's not a problem. Okay, you should see this one, Fiverr Pro new plan. So just copy your affiliate link from here. It's easy. And go back to Pinterest and put your affiliate link here. Click on choose a board. Click on create a board, and you just need to give it a name, and that's it. And you can create as many as you want. I will choose this one for Pinterest. Scroll down, you need to put here tags or keywords related to this service that you want to promote. Go back to this seller profile page, scroll down, keep scrolling down until you see this one, related tags. Those are your keywords. Copy those keywords and make sure to use all those keywords in your Pinterest tags. Okay, like this. And I will copy this one, and that's it. So make sure to use all those keywords like I said. After you finish, click on publish, and here you go. You just published your first Fiverr affiliate link on Pinterest, and that's how you can start Pinterest affiliate marketing, guys, with $0, without any investment, without investing any money in paid ads. Okay, you are choosing services that are working, services that will help people who has Pinterest account to grow their Pinterest account, to make their Pinterest account more professional, more branding, and if you stay consistent, you can really make a lot of money with this business model. Okay, it's very easy. Okay, yes, it's simple and it's very easy, but needs consistency, hard work, keep doing more research, grow your Pinterest account, and you can make a lot of money with this business. Okay, and also I want to explain something. The commission that I made, this commission, it didn't come all from Pinterest. Okay, Pinterest is one of my traffic sources. I'm promoting my affiliate links on Pinterest. I have like 5 Pinterest accounts that I'm using to promote my affiliate links, but for you, just start with one. Okay, start with one. That's what I did. As a beginner, when I started with one Pinterest account, and I started promoting my affiliate links, stay consistent, and that's it. Okay, this commission, like I said, it didn't come just from Pinterest. I'm using, guys, I'm using Google, I'm using TikTok, I'm using Instagram, I'm using Facebook groups, I'm using YouTube, and so much more for free, using all those uh, social media platforms to promote my affiliate links for free, getting free traffic, and that's it. Grow, you need to grow your account. So I will share, guys, don't worry, I will share with you all those methods in my YouTube channel for free. If you are interested in this business, comment affiliate marketing, like this video, and leave a comment, and I will start making a lot of videos and share with you guys a lot of new methods that you can use to earn commission very fast if you stay consistent and if you follow those methods that I will share with you. Okay, also I'm working on an affiliate marketing course that will be ready very soon, guys, for you. Will cover This course will cover everything. Okay, from it's from scratch. Okay, how you can start, how you can promote your affiliate links, how you can use free traffic, advanced methods, and so much more. I'm really giving this course time. It's have been like I'm working on this in this course. It's almost like 2 months now. Okay, I'm still working. I want to make it the best affiliate marketing course that you can ever watch. Okay, this will be the best affiliate marketing course because I will share everything. Okay, you don't need to add or use in anything more from your head or from other people, or you just need to use what's inside in this course. Okay, and that's it. I will keep you guys updated in my YouTube channel. Just make sure to subscribe if you are interested. I will also share a lot of methods how we can make money online, uh, all those new methods that are working right now, and so much more. Okay, thank you so much for watching. See you in my next video.